Look, Luca, SharperTrades, the S&P 500 remains steady above the breakout point, this descending trend line and the ATMA. Those are good supports. For now, holding nicely. The volume is good. OBV is good. Balance of power, it's a bit tricky here. Sellers got a little bit of an upper end. However, price remains above the 50 SMA and the ATMA. So those are important mid-term and short-term support levels. If he's able to break through these all-time high at 690, then we're looking at 700 and 707. Support ATMA, 50 SMA. Below that, 662 and 654. Into the individual stocks, things that we trade in the trading room and some of our swings, all these things. AEO, this one is something we've been covering for past few days. Reported earnings last night. Big breakout move with volume, took out the resistance at 22 and the 2330, extending today to 2441, a little bit of an indecision. Let's see how it opens tomorrow. Any lower opening, expect a retest of prior lows, which is 2250, 2170, and then the ATMA. On the other hand, positive opening, holding today opening price and today low, which are supports, looking for 25, 27, and possibly 30. BMY, this one is a swing working nicely. Bullish kicker today on positive news. They developed some kind of AI-enabled drug with a company, and that's why we saw the move. Took out the 200 SMA, hit the first target today at 51, second target 54, and then 56. We are targeting stops 50 and 48.70. CRCL, crypto related. This one is a swing working nicely. Already reached 3 targets. We initiate down around here. Popped these two targets, 76 and 80. Consolidated for today is popped today. 3 new targets, 87.70, 91.60, and then 95.70. Support is now half of the candle somewhere around this high. So that's 81.50. And then the ATMA is also somewhere around 78.50. $3 reported earnings, attempting a breakout. Articles are popping left, right, and center as also the rich people, those that are not rich, but upper class, middle upper class. They also shop in Walmart and Dollar Tree. Just everybody's feeling the squeeze. Maybe it's herd mentality. Everybody feels the squeeze for real, or some are like, okay, everybody's feeling, so me too, right? It's possible. Nevertheless, Dollar Tree has experienced high foot traffic from upper end client, upper end income clients. So that's customers. So that's a big change in the trend, and the companies reported impressive earnings. So I'm expecting this one to extend, especially if it takes out those recent highs around 118. Next target is 120, 132, and then the top of the channel 143. Support is today low and 105. Hood, Robinhood making a move also. Was discussed in the trading room, a swing idea. Hit the first target today of 133. He needs to take out the descending trend line. If he does, a crypto market related, so Bitcoin and everything needs to recover as well, which are recovering a little bit, but the move is not convincing yet on the Bitcoin. Anyway, 143, 153, and 163 are the targets here. Support today low. IRBT, robotics. Robotics is a trending sector today, primarily related to a report by Politico that the Trump administration is going full in on robotics. Now, that's not a surprise that this is happening. Robotics is not separate from AI, but it's been slumping. So this one is an opportunity, this sector, for a nice extension. This one was a day trade, fantastic. Hit the target 250, 310. And then the next level, if he extends, it's in the post market is up a little bit. So must see that tomorrow, 383 and the 200 SMA. Support if you're swinging this one, 50 SMA and today, half of the candle, somewhere around 270. Marvel reported earnings with an indecision. So this one also depends where he opens tomorrow. Positive opening, close above 100. That's important. If he remains above it and takes out the high, we're looking at 107 and 115. Support is today low and then further down at 91. When this one is a swing today, yes, the first will break out at the recent time. And then today, the first target at 47. Next target, there is the resistance that 200 SMA, 50 and then 54. Tighten stops, 45 and 43.50. Poet on the move. So Marvel reported earnings and also disclosed an acquisition of Celestial AI, Marvel. So Poet is an AI company and is moving on that news. Maybe somebody will buy this company as well. That's kind of the projection. And the volume suggests that's a possibility, or at least the excitement behind that possibility. Volume is there. So let's see if this one is able to take out the 50 SMA and extend, in which case we're looking at 730 and 830. Support is 550 and today low. QBTS, Susan mentioned this one prior to the close and made a move today with an analyst raising targets to 44. And looks intriguing, especially since this one came down quite heavily from 45 down to the teens, 18. Yeah. So on the target that this analyst gave is 44. So it's got potential for at least testing, I think, the 50 SMA. That's a 30. That's the price is 30. So we're looking for, let's see, 28.80 and 32 with 30 in between. So then there will be a resistance. Support 22. RR, this one is a swing robotics, working well. We initiated today when did a pullback somewhere around 365. 360, 365 was a good entry. A massive volume, again, robotics related to the Politico article. And reached already the first targets, 406. This one is already up from where we initiated. Somewhere already up 14%. Love that. It's a cheap one, so good profit, but be careful because this is volatile. The post market is at the same price, so let's see what it does tomorrow. Tighten the stops though, because let's go for 390 and 370. Second target 460 and the 50 SMA, and then above that 516. SERV, another one, robotics. This one also discussed in the trading room. Hit the first target here at 1150. Good volume. The 50 SMA is a resistance. 13, 20, and 15 is another targets. NVIDIA, if I recall it correctly, I haven't checked the last KF13 filings, but they have a stake in this company. Look it up if you're trading this company, because that could be a significant development, especially if it makes into the news publicly. Support, general public. 11 is the support, and then the 200 SMA. And finally, TEVA, something we've been following for past few days after the breakout through here, pullback block orders, hit the first target at 26, and approaching the next target at 28. And then 30 is the next level if he gets there. Support trade EMA. All right, folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.